welcome back to another adventure, Dad and Brad Adventures. We're out here at the mill shed today, getting ready to put some metal up. See, we got some metal here and some over there. And say hi, Dad.
Hi, guys.
Got some metal back here. This is all the stuff that we reclaimed off that other place we got our metal from. And we got some, it's kind of stacked all over the place here. It's kind of grading it to see what's going to be our best and where we're going to go from there. But today is metal hanging day on the mill shed. You guys stick around and enjoy the show. All right, guys, we're going to do things a little different than normal. Typically, you would just put a 6-foot piece up in there and then move on. But we don't have any 6-foot pieces. We have a bunch of reclaimed stuff. So we're going to put 2 4-foot pieces in there and just have them lap in the middle. Obviously, you put the bottom one down first and then put your top one down on top of that to get your water shed off of it. So that's what we're going to do down through here. We got our string set up at 4 inches off the edge, and then we're going to use that to measure where we're going to put the bottom of that one piece of metal and run it all the way across there. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down below there. That far so we can bend them.
Clear enough. Make sure you go far enough we can wrap it down and screw it. I mean, even if you went excess, we could leave a. I don't know which way you want that facing. I'll have to figure out how to handle it. Yeah, I'd go clear to the rib. Now you don't worry about how it looks on the side. Worry about the string.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that at all.
Okay, do you want a tape or anything, or you just
I'm gonna need a tape measure.
guesstimate? You want a big one or a little one?
Little one. I just need 3 inches here, 4 inches here, whatever this is gonna be.
One's not so heavy to carry around. Can we utilize any holes?
And the bottom one's line right up.
That will be awesome. You want this to your
Yeah, I need that nasty part always facing up.
okay. You're gonna put screws in the other 2x4 we move on, or no?
Huh? No, I can't put 2 screws in the top ones yet until I put that second piece on.
Yeah, gotcha.
Daisy. Actually, I shouldn't even put this one in yet. Oh yeah, I can, because that one doesn't touch.
Here.
Daisy. I'm gonna have to take her. I'm sorry.
Them gonna be all right?
No, I'll just have to. Daisy, that's enough. I'm gonna have to take her inside and I'll just go get some new gloves. Just hand me out. It's enough. You're the one who decided to run off, not me. Yeah, these are definitely. We were starting on the wrong end, Dad.
Why is that, bud?
Because these have to go. We can just flap them, but.
Oh, those are supposed to go underneath, aren't they?
All right, guys. What we've just learned is we should have started at that end of the building instead of this end of the building, because we're having to lift up this piece to put another piece up underneath of it. And it's just, we know better next time. Metal roofers we are not, but we're gonna get it. All right, guys, we took some time off camera and got everything cut. Had our 20-foot pieces, and some of them was bad on the top, some of them was bad on the bottom. So what we did was we cut them. We cut our 20-foot pieces right down the middle, made them 10 feet long. And as you can see here, we got 9 of them stacked up here and 10 of them stacked up down there. And what we're gonna do is, because there you can see it, my finger out of the way. See, the tops on those is bad, and we made a fresh cut on the bottom on this end, and it's opposite of those. See, now the top end on those is good and the bottom end on those is bad. So what we're gonna do is, those are 10 feet, we gotta cover, obviously we gotta cover the 12 feet in here. So we're gonna run a 4-foot for the first 10 pieces, and then run them 10-footers on top of that with our overlap on our good piece. And then obviouswhen we get down on this end, we're going to use we're going to do it opposite. So we're going to put the 10-foot piece up first, and then put our 4-footer. There we go. Or put our 4-footer up at the peak. That's the explanation of it. Whether it goes that simple or not, we'll find out. But I don't know how well we can do some cameras. You can see there's not a whole lot of room back here to videotape, and you really can't see anything from the top up there. See if I can get you an idea how far up that is. Anyway, well, maybe I can set it. We'll try here. Let me shut you off and I'll turn you right back on here. Okay, guys, we're gonna try a top view. See how well that works for you. Don't fall on my butt getting down here, but we'll see what happens. You guys kind of see what's going on from up top here.
Goes up like with the long rib on my side.
Yeah, just hand it to me just the way you got it. No, I'll move it around. Well, don't flip it. Just hand it to me the way you got it, and I'll flip it around up here. I can feel that heater clear over here, Dad.
Can you really?
Yeah. Feel it on my face. Keep going a lot. Oh, electric?
Yeah. 1, 2, because whatever, it doesn't matter. That's 4.5 inches. The front was 4. That ended up 4.5. So 2 inches is fine.